What's up YouTube? Today we're going to be replacing the air filter on this Ford Taurus X. This is also applicable to Ford Taurus of the same year. And so we're just going to jump right to it. The part number for this is XGA10242 for Fram. It really doesn't matter because this is a high performance car. So what you first want to do is all you need for this is a screwdriver that's flathead, and just unscrew this hose clamp right here. Like that. Next, you're going to come right here to this MAF sensor, and there's a little red part right here that you just pull out, and then this connector will just wiggle off. Here's that red part that I'm talking about. So when it's plugged in, it'll be like that, but then you just pull it out and then it will be able to come out. Next, there's two clips right here, and so you just pull them off, and now you'll be able to like pull this box up and then wiggle this housing off of the hose. Set this aside. Just throw this out, and then unbox your new one. I like to compare it to the old one before installing it, just to make sure that they're similar. They are. Okay, so now I'm just gonna insert this into here. Perfect fit. And now you just reverse the process. So I'm gonna put this in here, put the hose on, and then make sure that it kind of snaps into place. And there's 3 alignment tabs right here that you want to stick. There's holes and you want to stick those through, and now you just put the clips back on by just doing this. You just take them down and then you push your housing down a little bit and then push them over. Same procedure on the second one. You won't be able to see that until you get into your engine bay yourself. Next, what you want to do is to plug this MAP sensor in. Make sure that if this is closed in, that it's actually pulled out so that it doesn't wiggle loose. And then once you put it in, push the red sensor in, so that way, make sure that when you install this, make sure that the red is towards this piece so that it doesn't wiggle while you're driving, and then it stays put. And then the last step is to just screw this in tightly so that you don't get any air leaks. Check it out. So that was my quick tutorial on how to replace the air filter on a 2008 Ford Taurus X. However, like I said, this is also applicable to a 2009 Taurus X and also the Taurus that is of the same engine of this car, the 3.5 Duratec.